Hi, I'm Starkey from driftworks.com and today I am with a Japan Racing JR10 wheel. JR10 is available in a wide range of sizes from 15-inch all the way up to massive 19. Come in 7 inches wide all the way up to 11s, depending on which diameter you go for. These are also available in a huge range of PCDs, everything like 4x100 for MX5s all the way up to 5x120 for BMWs. So we really like this wheel. It's a classic mesh face with a bit of a dish. So the dish will vary depending on the width of the wheel. Obviously the wider you go and the lower the offset, the more dish you'll have. As these are one-piece wheels, the amount of the dish is determined by the width. So even if you have a 10J with a 20 or 40 offset, the dish will still remain the same. This is finished in the standard silver, but they are also available in black and gold, and the bolts stay the same across the entire range.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.